Please pause this video if you need more time to complete an answer. Start by typing your first and last name. Consumer vocab. What is a consumer? Don't forget it's a two-part answer. Spelling does not count. Give the definition of a good. Give an example of a good. Give a different example of a good. Give the definition of a service. Give an example of a service. Give another example or a different example of a service. Please select only one answer. Who are your peers? Your friends can affect your buying decisions. For example, if all of your friends are going to McDonald's and buy a drink or something off the dollar menu, you are likely to do the same. Why? Who signed the Consumer Bill of Rights into law? Choose the best answer. Advertisements have two purposes. What is one of the purposes of advertising? Explain why TV shows need advertisements. Target audience. Choose the best answer for the following questions. Who is the target audience for football games? What products might be advertised during football games? Check all that apply. Who is the target audience for Sunday morning cartoons? Saturday morning cartoons. What products would you see advertised during Saturday morning cartoons? Check all that apply. How is a public service ad different than other advertisements? Consumer rights. Choose the best answer. Answer the questions choosing only one answer per question. Consumer rights. You purchased a CD player and it isn't working correctly. You try to return it to the store and they said it was not their problem. You are going to let someone know about your problem. This is your right to be. Your family bought a new car about 3 months ago. Your seatbelt does not stay hooked, and you know how important it is to wear a seatbelt. The car company just sent you a recall notice because this has happened to other cars. Your parents take the car to the dealer and have the seatbelt replaced for free. You received $200 for your birthday and have decided to spend it on a new television for your bedroom. Before you bought a new TV, you started by first reading Consumer Reports, talking to many friends, and asking the salesperson many questions about televisions before you made your educated choice. Your family has several restaurants that you would like to visit every Friday night. Finally, after comparing the restaurants and discussing the many options, a decision was made. Small words make a big difference. Choose only one answer. What are the invisible words in the statement, earn savings up to 50% off select furniture? Static guard helps prevent static build up in the dryer. Clear It All Acne Medications fights acne as its source. GasLock users save up to $200 yearly on their gas bills. Interest rates are as low as 50% on the finest linens. Puffery. Read over the following advertisements. Choose only one answer. Buy the plumpest, juiciest hot dogs anywhere. Easy to assemble directions enclosed. Pro Vitamins will give you bigger and stronger muscles. Consumer responsibilities. Choose the best answer for the following questions. Tracy found a pair of jeans she likes at a local department store, but discovered the zipper had been broken by someone else that had previously tried them on. This is an example of it's rude to run over customers in an effort to be first in line at the checkout counter. You should be a Amy recently purchased a blender. She thought it was broken, but found out she assembled it incorrectly because she failed to read the instruction manual. Hannah bought a sweater and wore it to school. Her friend said it did not look good on her. She tried to return it, but could not because she had already worn it. Shane wrote a consumer letter to a local hardware store because they tried to sell him a broken lawn trimmer. Headline in a newspaper. Several teens are arrested for shoplifting. This is an example of which consumer responsibility. A local family clothing store recently closed down because too many consumers did not pay their bills on time. This is an example of which consumer responsibility. Based on class discussions, what is something you could do to save money at the store? Based on what you learned in class, what should you do before making a big purchase? Bonus question. This will not count against you. What is John F. Kennedy's middle name?